The 2010 Infiniti EX35. The EX is Infiniti's offering in the growing market for small, upscale SUVs. Like the G, the EX has agile handling and a comfortable ride and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.